Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Jayco Greyhawk line of Class C motorhomes. The Greyhawk is designed to bring the comforts of home to the road and let you take on some truly adventurous journeys. The motorhome line ranges in length from nearly 29 feet at its shortest floor plan to about 32.5 feet at the longest. In the Greyhawk lineup, there are 5 floor plans in total. 2 of the floor plans feature a single full wall slide, while 3 of the floor plans feature 2 slides. Let's start with the models that have 2 slides. The 26Y kicks things off with a campside kitchen. Across from that is a slide out that offers a dinette and trifold sofa. At the rear of the RV is a slide out queen bed on the camp side of the unit. It comes with a cab over bed for additional sleeping space that can be swapped out for an optional entertainment center. Next up is the 29MV. It has 2 slides on the driver's side of the RV. The living room slide features a trifold sofa and a dinette. The bathroom slide to the rear of the RV houses the queen bed. Along the campside of the motorhome is the kitchen and pantry, and back in the master bedroom is the wardrobe and a TV cabinet. For options, you can swap the 8 cubic foot fridge for a 12 cubic foot one, trade the trifold sofa for theater seats, or change out the cab over bed to an entertainment center. The third floor plan with 2 slides is the 30Z. This unit has a driver's side slide that has a trifold sofa and dinette in it. The second slide is a rear queen bed slide located in the back wall. On the camp side of the RV is an L-shaped kitchen, entertainment center, linen closet, and bathroom vanity. Moving on to the single slide units, let's start with the 30X. This unit offers a full wall driver's side slide that houses the dinette, kitchen, range, bathroom vanity, and a queen bed. On the other side of the RV sits a sofa, refrigerator, pantry, bathroom, plus a double wardrobe and TV cabinet in the master bedroom. The 30X can have an optional 12 cubic foot refrigerator and swap out the cab over bed for the entertainment center. The 31F is the last floor plan in the lineup and is the only bunk model in the lineup as well. It offers a sofa, refrigerator, and pantry on the camp side of the RV. On the driver's side is the dinette, kitchen, bunk beds, a wardrobe, and a TV cabinet, all of which are housed in the full wall slide. The queen bed is in the rear of the camper on the camp side. The 31F can also have an optional 12 cubic foot refrigerator and an optional entertainment center in place of the cab over bed. Step inside the Greyhawk and you'll enjoy 84-inch ceiling heights, an 8 cubic foot double door refrigerator, stylish vinyl flooring, multiple skylights, and a 32-inch digital LED TV with satellite hookup. With floor plans and features covered, let's move into how Jayco builds the Greyhawk. Jayco starts with the trusted Ford E450 chassis. That chassis offers a 14,500 pound gross vehicle weight rating, or GVWR, and can tow a trailer or tow vehicle thanks to a 7,500 pound hitch. On top of that chassis, Jayco builds the RV's floor plan, which features tough shell, vacuum bonded laminated floor, sidewalls, and roof. It also has bead foam insulation, a white fiberglass exterior, and a one-piece seamless fiberglass front cap. It's also an excellent riding motorhome thanks to the J-Ride technology that Jayco employs. This includes upgraded shocks, rubber isolation mounts, shock absorbers, and more. Its high quality, long list of features, and generous list of floor plans means it'll suit just about any Class C motorhome shopper's needs.